Let's be honest, home security can get expensive and complicated way too fast. I got tired of wondering if I'd locked the back door or if someone was poking around my garage, so I went out and bought 5 different systems to see which ones actually work. I've been living with these for weeks, testing everything from the volume of the alarms to how easy the apps are to use, so you can stop guessing and just pick the right one. Product number 1. GE Personal Security Window and Door Alarm 4-pack. When I first pulled these out of the box, I was surprised by how small and light they are. They're basically just 2 pieces of white plastic that stick on your door or window with some double-sided tape. I had all 4 of them up in about 5 minutes. No drilling, no wires, nothing. During my testing, the 120 decibel alarm was honestly a bit of a shock. It's loud enough to make your ears ring, which is exactly what you want if someone tries to sneak in at night. I really like that there's a chime mode too. I used it on my front door so I'd get a nice little ding whenever my kids came home. It runs on those little button batteries, but there's a test button so I didn't have to guess if they were still working. If you just need a cheap, loud way to secure a few windows, this 4-pack is a total no-brainer. Product number 2, GE Personal Security Window and Door Alarm 12-pack. This is essentially the bigger brother to the 4-pack I just mentioned. Holding them side by side, they're identical in build quality, sturdy enough for indoor use and very simple to operate. I decided to use this 12-pack to cover every single ground floor window in my house, and it made a huge difference in my peace of mind. The magnetic sensors are really snappy. As soon as that seal breaks, the alarm hits that high-pitched 120 decibel scream. Since you get 12 of them, I even stuck one on my liquor cabinet and the door to the garage. One thing I noticed is that you have to make sure the surfaces are clean before sticking them on, or the tape might slip. But for the price per unit, you can't beat this for bulk protection. If you have a larger home with lots of entry points, this is the set to grab. Product number 3, simplisafe 8-piece wireless home security system. Moving up to simplisafe felt like a massive upgrade. The base station looks like a sleek piece of tech that actually fits in with my living room decor. Setting it up was a breeze because the app basically holds your hand through the whole process. I just plugged it in and started naming my sensors. I tested the motion sensor in my living room and it's pretty smart. It didn't go off when my dog ran past, which is a huge relief. The panic button is a nice touch too. I kept it right by my bed. I noticed the base station has a 24-hour backup battery, so when my power flickered during a storm, the system stayed online. It's a great pick if you want a professional feel without being locked into a long-term contract. It's reliable, fast, and the secret alerts are great for keeping tabs on things quietly. Product number 4, simplisafe 12-piece wireless home security system with HD camera. This is the big daddy of the simplisafe kits. The main thing I wanted to test here was the SimpliCam. It's a solid little camera with a physical privacy shutter, so I could actually see it close when I disarmed the system. I really appreciated that for my own privacy. The extra sensors in this 12-piece kit meant I could cover every door and most of the windows on my main floor. When I triggered the alarm, the camera started recording immediately. One thing I found really cool is video verification. If the alarm goes off, the monitoring folks can actually check the footage to see if it's a real break-in, which helps get the police there faster. It's a more complete package than the 8-piece, so if you want eyes inside your house as well as sensors on the doors, this is the version to go for. Product number 5, Tolviav Home Alarm System 2nd Gen. What caught my eye with the Tolviav system was the price for a 12-piece kit that still works with my phone. It's got a very modern, clean look. I hooked it up to my 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. It won't work on 5 GHz, just a heads up. And it was surprisingly responsive. I really liked that I could arm or disarm it using Alexa. I just told my Echo I'm leaving, and the system armed itself. The kit comes with 2 remotes, which I gave to my neighbors so they could check on the house while I was away. There are no monthly fees here, which is the biggest selling point for me. You get the phone alerts for free. The base station needs to stay plugged in, but it has a small backup battery just in case. If you want a smart, app-connected system without a subscription, this is a fantastic value. Choosing the right security setup really comes down to how much tech you want to deal with. Whether you want a simple loud noise or a full smart home setup, any of these will do the job. Make sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices. Would you like me to help you compare the monthly monitoring costs for these different brands?